So this is, once again, a non-technical review of this filament. This stuff, let me pull him off of here, is beautiful. So this is a red, yellow, blue silk type filament. And you can see here, we used this in our Bamboo Labs printer and it fit perfectly. It worked great. We had no issues with it. You can see as I spin it around. This is a fast color changing filament. So if you're printing anything that's not super tall, this is going to work great. Hence why this dragon looks absolutely amazing. So you can see here, as I pull him off of here and I turn him, you can see how cool the color change happens as I turn him. We printed these and I did a time lapse of them, like I said, on our Bamboo Labs printer. I only printed the one because we wanted to see what it would look like, but as you can see here, printed with absolutely no issues. Next time we're going to put a couple of them on the tray and turn them different ways to see if that makes them all look different. But look at the color on this is just stunning. It's so cool the way it changes, and it's like a silky, metallic-y look to it. So it makes the dragons look really, really cool. I am in love with this. So far, this is definitely one of my favorite colors I have ever gotten. So if you've been looking for a new color to experiment with, we recommend this. Like I said, we had no issues in our Bamboo Labs. It fit right in our wheel perfectly. It printed perfectly. We didn't have any breakage issues. It tells you right on here what the temperature and stuff needs to be for your printer. Again, that's a little more technical, a little out of my league. I just like the pretty colors. We recommend this.